Have you ever calculated how much you're paying in trading fees? Most traders obsess over entries, exits, and overall making profitable results, which is completely legitimate, but they often forget about a quiet cost that consistently eats their P&L. But today I'm going to show you something different, a platform where you can trade with zero trading fees, skip the whole KYC headache, and grab some solid rewards just from signing up. It's called AlphaX, and by the end of this video I'll walk you through how exactly you can claim your rewards, including a $200 voucher just for signing up using your phone number. Yes, you heard that correctly. Just by signing up and confirming your phone number, you can get a 200 USDT bonus, a 100 USDT on top of your deposits, and a bunch of other rewards just for trading with the platform. So not only you get free bonuses to trade with, you eliminate the cost of trading fees because there isn't any, and for every single dollar you make, you can have a chance of earning even more profits. For example, this guy has made $800, he can get $500 USDT on top of that. To create an account, all you have to do is use your email or connect your crypto wallet. Let me show you the trading platform now. Select the contract, adjust the leverage, place an order. Pretty simple stuff. Let's say I'm a beginner, for example. We can see all the charts here, and the good thing about AlphaX is that it's not just crypto. They have commodities, forex, futures. If I go over here, we can see gold, for example. I'm gonna put the leverage to the maximum. I'm gonna drop 50 USDT in our account. Say I want to put 50% of that, and I want to open longs. And boom, we're in right here. I just set up the stop loss and TP like this. We currently have about $100 in our account, but let me just show you. If I go over to my vouchers, we have $200 to request by just verifying our phone number. So let's just do that. Open with longs, as we're already in longs on another position. Boom, our TP1 got hit. Let's see if we can get the second one. And as you can see, all of this was pretty simple to set up. A couple seconds into creating an account, we can immediately start trading with it. You can see that there was no KYC required. And if we check our position, there was also no trading fees included. AlphaX is also an hybrid trading platform, meaning it combines the security you expect from a decentralized exchange with the speed of a centralized one. And deep liquidity on top of that, so your orders actually get filled fast, even on larger trades. As I've discussed already, they got multiple assets from not just crypto, but commodities, forex, futures, stocks. There's also a copy trading feature if you want to copy the traders of other experienced traders already, or even smart trading bots if you'd rather automate your strategy. And once again, zero fees for the maker, for the taker, in all crypto and TradeFi market. And it seems that our order just closed out in profit. And here are our two winning positions, small little scalps, but 11% performance on one, 1% on the other. Not super bad. So here's how you can start and claim everything that I just showed you. You're gonna register using the link in the description, deposit 100 USDT that will unlock a $200 position voucher, and then if you want even more, you can complete 50,000 USDT in futures trading volume to unlock an additional 400 USDT voucher, and work your way up to claim up to $20,000 in USDT voucher rewards. The more you trade, the more you unlock. If you've been looking for a place to trade with zero fees, once again, keep more of your trading profits and skip the KYC, then AlphaX is worth checking out, guys. I think this could be a good opportunity to those of you who already know how to trade, who have crypto laying around, doing absolutely nothing. Because reality is, if we remain 1 year, 2 years in crypto without it pumping, then your money is effectively doing nothing for you. Might as well just use that crypto, trade with it if you're truly profitable. If you aren't, just go to my channel and learn how to trade and use AlphaX to your advantage. The link is in the description so you guys can sign up, connect your wallet, start trading immediately, and start requesting your bonuses such as the 200 USDT voucher just for verifying your phone number. Thank you guys for watching.